Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing information, seeing the data for the very first time. So to honor your time, if you are looking for a video where somebody's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. However, if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause for now and I'll be back at the market open. All right, looking to potentially play some calls here. If Tesla can get down to this 430-ish area. So I have an order at 970 right now, but that's probably a little too optimistic on my part. But just in case this thing all of a sudden makes a quick jolt to the downside, maybe I could get a great fill. Like I said, I want to see SPY pull back a bit more. And again, I am looking to do options here. I will go ahead and pause. Well, never mind on that pullback. Pulled back, and now you can see it's turning itself straight around. So I'm actually looking to now play potentially a put. Looking to get filled at $12. So this one's going to need to go up some more. But that was quite the abrupt turnaround. So we'll see if it wants to push up a bit more. I will pause. Okay, I have an order at 1070, and for a second I was on the best bid because it spiked up. But that's what I was talking about earlier. Sometimes you can get some great fills, but I didn't quite get filled on that spike up there, and then it quickly dropped down. So close, but never mind. I'll keep an eye on it. All right, SPY has finally broken through this pink line. I'm looking to play calls, but not until 770. So I'm going to need further distance down below this level. But as I speak right now, the price has bounced right back up. Maybe going to form a hammer candle here. But we'll see what happens. So currently have an order in it for $7.70 for calls, but need to see this come down a bit more. I will pause. Okay, I have an order at $9.20 for a put. And for a second, it was looking like it wanted to make a move. Okay, there we go, there we go, there we go. Right at this point, I'm going to go to 870. So we'll see if we can get back up there. I will go ahead and pause. Okay, I have an order at 970. I'm going to cancel that out, and I'm going to go back to the original plan here. Look for this thing to get up to around 431.25. So let's see if this thing can make another 20-cent move from here. I'll pause. Okay, I have an order at 1570 here. Okay, I got to change that down to 1520 now. I will pause and keep you updated. Okay, making another move. Needs to come down come up just a bit more. Okay, I got to go to 1470 now. Okay, in. And in at 1470. And out for a quick little scalp of 30. Let me try to restart the process again. Okay, I have an order at 1220. Got those. And out for a very quick $50 scalp. So going down to 1120 now, and I'll try to start the process over again. I'm not going to make a bunch because I'm only going with one contract, but what I am doing is I'm giving myself flexibility, the opportunity to build a bigger position. So if I'm from the beginning, well then yes, I'm not going to make a lot. But if the entry point isn't as good as what I think it is, well, that's okay. I have flexibility because I only have one contract. So give and take. When the price goes in my favor, I think, well, geez, I should have done bigger size. But when the price goes against me and I have that flexibility, I sit there and say, well, I'm glad I only did one contract because I have flexibility. So I will pause for now. Have an order at 870. I'm starting to wonder if I should be changing strike prices here. Let's see if it wants to come up a bit more. So one's going to try to play some puts. Or else, why don't I do this? Why don't I just get a little bit more greedy in my entry point and give myself even more flexibility? And if I don't get filled, oh well, not a big deal. I'm up 80 bucks, so when I'll err on the side of an extra cautious entry point, I will go ahead and pause for now. Okay, I apologize. I missed that entry point. And there's another quick $50. That thing spiked so fast. In fact, I can't keep 720. Going to start the process over again. In fact, same policy here. Let's go to just get crazy greedy at 670. And I'll go for even a little bit more. But there is another quick $50. This may be the most boring $100, well, $130 I've ever made with commissions, $120 I've ever made. I mean, these have been some very just anticlimactic trades, one contract at a time, but amazingly add up pretty quick. And this has all happened in, my first fill was at 14, so 251. And it's now, yeah, so less than 30 minutes right now. Now, granted, I've been, well, give and take a little bit from my computer. So this morning when the video first started, that was when the market first opened. And then, I stepped away, worked out, did a bunch of stuff, and, just came back, saw some action, and thought, you know what, let's see what happens, because this looks like some tradable action, and it has proven to be tradable action. But very boring trading. I get it. Very anticlimactic, not loading the boat. Not YOLOing, not, going with huge size and chasing big moves. Very, very boring stuff. I realize that, but I hope you can see past that and see that, sometimes little boring things adds up relatively quickly. I mean, like I said, I'm up about 120, and this has all happened in about 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes, about 20 minutes. And not many places in the world where you can make such an anticlimactic 120 bucks in less than 30 minutes. And maybe I get one more. If this thing wants to come up some more, then I'm going to try that again. But like I said, going to be extra picky and look for an entry point at 670. So we'll see what happens, but I'll pause for now. Okay, I have an order at 620. Okay, once again, just going to go down to 570 now, be extra greedy. So see if this thing wants to spike up some more. I will pause for now. Okay, going to change that to 470. Things getting very volatile now. I'll go ahead and pause. So I'm going to go ahead and call it good because I do need to move on with my day now. But yeah, I think I'm going to title this video Boring Adds Up, because I'll be the first to admit those trades were very, very boring, but was still walking away in a very small amount of time, at least for me. I mean, 120 bucks in my pocket for 30 minutes of very anticlimactic, very boring trading. I'll take that. And like I said, just kind of was randomly at my computer, thought, hey, that move looks good, so why not take advantage of it? And I was able to take advantage of it. And I like that. I like when you just kind of wander around during the day and you peek at your computer and like, hey, look, that looks worthwhile. And you can put some profits in your pocket. So preferably, though, I wish I could get this all done in the morning. But, like I said, that's the nice thing about it being a trader. If you keep your computer or phone or whatever open, you can periodically check on it. And if you have some time available in your day and you see some good action, you got to always be very careful. You don't want to go and force trades. But this was some good quality action, and it provided a nice little opportunity there. But yeah, like I said, boring adds up. So sorry, but not sorry. I realize sometimes maybe the bigger position sizes and big, huge swings can be a little bit more entertaining. But As a trader, I'm not really looking for entertaining. I'm just looking for profits, and that's what was able to happen here. So maybe not the most entertaining YouTube video, but as far as a results video, I'm very, very happy with it. So if you enjoy these live trade videos, if you enjoy just the transparency, not always trying to put up flashy videos, but just the realistic view of things, then hit that like button, leave a comment below, and let me know in the comment section, have you ever had these boring profit type days where things just add up? Hopefully you have. But yeah, let me know about those so we can encourage others that, yeah, these days are definitely very worthwhile. So everybody take care, have a good one, and thanks for watching. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.